Entire hillside's covered with those things. Wow. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're at Mt Rainier National Park, and we were hoping to climb or at least scramble the top of Pinnacle Peak, or maybe Plumber Peak, but I'm not really sure. We stopped here to check out these wildflowers. They're just like phenomenal, but it is like really foggy, as you can see. So we're gonna try to wait for the fog to burn off, and it's about 48 degrees, and it is like I hadn't anticipated being that cold, so I came in a short sleeve shirt. But anyway, it should be, if the fog burns off, it should be some pretty spectacular views. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're making our way to Waterfall. There's quite a few waterfalls in here. I think we're gonna try to get in there and take a look at some of them, waiting for the fog to clear. The fog, it still is not breaking up, so I'd hike into there, but that's no trail. I am not sure what these are. Like little pink balls and spider's web right there. I can't get enough of these avalanche lilies. They are just everywhere. These steps, I don't know why. It's sort of like these rough-hewn rock steps. Let's go up the steps. Check it out. Oh, more avalanche lilies. Oh. Okay, so yeah, this fog seems to be getting thicker again. I'm not really sure. I think we're gonna have to probably come back. I think we're gonna come back in a few days. Hopefully catch it on a sunny day. But the good news is though, is that this is not disappointed. We've seen just a ton of wildflowers, and these falls and rivers and so forth are just spectacular. So. I'm on a forested trail again. Haven't been on one in a long time. It's got tree roots. It's great. Those some very tall, slender trees. Wow. Got a good waterfall here, but no getting down to it. Dang. Okay, so we've got this bridge, and see the river there. Very good. Wow. See the river down there. Even better. And then you can see the river through the boards. I like that one better. Okay, got these meadows here, more of those white flowers we saw earlier. Wow. We have what looks like a snowball. Quite a few of them here. I hear a bird down there. I don't think I've heard before. I'd go out there, but I can't. In that meadow.
Let's just go a little farther.
Okay. Let me just kind of get this right here. I like this. I will catch up. Okay, so we almost turned around. We're gonna hike up to the glacier, but I don't know if we'll see anything because of the fog. But we're gonna go a little bit further and then see what we can find. Oh. Hi. Getting steep, getting muddy. Okay. We've hit a lot of snow here. Whew. I'd like to have seen this on a sunny day. Whew. Wow. Okay, so here we are in the middle of July. Actually later than that, I think the third week of July. And we are walking on snow. Went from hiking in 100-degree temperatures 2 days ago to snow. We have these really shaggy looking flowers. I think I know the name of those from somewhere way back when. We have like this yellow flower right here. I want to say it's a vetch, but I don't think so. Well, maybe. Try to get closer, but there's more of them back there. And then here we have this little purple daisy. But basically, we just have like this wildflower meadow. I haven't seen anything like this since I lived in Utah. This month we were going to go to Utah and visit my old hiking area, Superior Peak. Yeah, so these wildflowers, these wildflower meadows, they're just incredible. We were going to go to Utah this month to visit my old hiking areas to see wildflowers like this, but we changed our plans just because of the just a lot of tourism, a lot of traffic right now, hiking traffic and whatnot. So we came here to Rainier, and this place, just like I keep saying, does not disappoint. Kind of phlox. It's a pretty good clump of right there. We have Avalanche Lilies there. More Dogtooth Violet. Wow. And more Dogtooth Violet. Wow. It's just amazing. I think we're close to getting out of this fog. Pretty close. We'll see. We've really come up a lot of elevation here. So I don't know what this is, but it is stunning. More avalanche lilies, and water dripping from the trees. You can see the moss up there. Past the fog. that doesn't really get captured. We're at the, I think we're at the glacier, we're at the overlook. But you can see where the, well, I can see where the snow is like really undercut. Extremely undercut. I don't think you'd want to be standing on there. Okay, I saw these little daisies right here growing in the water. The snow melt and more up here. Oh yeah, here we go. All these little, oh, this area will probably be full of wildflowers at some point. After it finishes melting, warms up. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick this up, but it's just this extent of white. Wow, look at that fern. Jeez. Now that's a fern. Wow. I don't know if you can see this or not because of the fog, but we're at the glacier, the edge of the glacier, and you can't really get a sense of the height or the just the sheer volume of this thing. It's massive. Yeah, the strange thing is that I can feel like there's like this cold air coming off the snow, but every once in a while coming down, it's like these really warm pockets of air, and it's very strange. It's very warm though, and but it doesn't last long. So here we have a pull tab from a soda can that I don't know how old that thing is. 30 years, 20 years. Okay, we've got some bear grass here. Actually, quite a bit of it. Yeah, here's the other end of that Sunbeam Creek after it goes under the road. It's weird because it looks like a fountain or something you'd see in a, I don't know, like a garden. And then you keep going up, it just gets even better. Okay, I'm gonna have to work for this waterfall, I think. So, okay, so I think I'm gonna wrap this up. We never got out of the fog today, but we did see some pretty great wildflowers, just spectacular wildflowers, and a number of waterfalls, which was pretty amazing as well. We're gonna come back and try to do the Pinnacle Peak soon. This place is like really crazy, touristy, busy, so probably have to get up at 4 a.m. again to try to beat traffic. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like. Otherwise, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.